Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and on this episode we're finally putting a Powertune digital dash on RIPIN. So yes, it's that time. It's finally time to put that Powertune digital dash on RIPIN. I've been hinting at it for a while now, but we'll give you a quick look at it. So this is the unit here. Let's get the bloody box open. And to start with, you get the mount. So that'll go in, the actual unit goes in there, and that will mount in the dash cluster shroud. Gives you instructions about what to do to set it up, and then this is your CAN bus USB 2 line. So you hook that up to the high and the low there, the blue and the yellow, and then that one just powers the unit, and you hook that one up to power. And here's the unit itself. Not bad at all. So I'm probably going to use a portable mouse and just use that plugged in the back there, because I've heard it's easier to set up these with a mouse instead of just trying to do it by hand the whole time. So yes, this is the unit. This is the Powertune digital dash. Hoping it all goes smoothly. It's a bit of a hybrid unit when it comes to Falcons. It uses the CAN bus system and the OBD2 system, but it tries and uses as much of the CAN bus system as it can. So yeah, pretty excited about this one. Now it's time to get into it. Alrighty, so we're in the Falcon. This is the stock XD dash. A bit dusty in there actually. But yeah, we've got the instructions down here for the dash. The first thing you got to do is wire in some power. They want you to wire it to accessories so it's not overcycling it and wrecking the SD card and whatnot. So the thing we have wired up to accessories at the moment is my boost controller. So we've got to wire in this puppy in here, positive and negative, and that'll give us power for the dash. And then we've got this one here, which we can plug into the back, down into that one there, high and low. I think the blue was the low, pretty sure I read on there. And yes, we'll get into it from there. Alright, so we whipped off all the surrounds we needed, and we've wired the positive and the negative into the accessories behind there, and that's popped out behind here. And we've plugged the OBD2 down into there. We're going to run that up after we hook it up to the unit. But yep, we can run those wires where we want to run them, and now it's time to basically plug them into the back and we'll start her up. Alright, so we've got the CAN hooked up and we've got the power hooked up. It's time just to give it a test run. It's not mounted yet and we've still got the film on, but we'll see how this goes. There we go, it's powered up. Now we're going to have to set it up. Obviously, that's why nothing's really coming through at the moment. But yes, it's powered on, it's working. So yeah, we've gone into the settings and we've selected the BA ECU, and yeah, it's powering up and it's going. There it is there. And once the dashes come up, we can show you what's going on. This is the first one you get. Obviously there's a few things on there that you need to go in and change the settings on, like the boost and whatnot, but we've got the IETs, we've got battery, we've got water, and if we scroll over, I don't knock it off, we've got that one there to start off with as well. So yeah, we can pull out excuse me, the interior trimming of the gauges on the back, and then we'll get that mounted up and make it look all neat and get into it a bit more. Alright, so here's the shroud for the gauges. We've mounted it down the bottom there. Yeah, that should be pretty good. I've seen other people hang it from the top, but I don't really like the idea of it hanging, so I'm just going to leave it mounted at the bottom. Looks like it won't hit the gauges and stuff, so we'll get all this put back in, and yeah, we'll start messing around with some settings. It is all mounted up, you know, liking it. Gonna go home and we'll feel the settings, see how it goes. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. It's quite neat. Yeah, awesome. Anyway, I'm gonna go get some settings sorted and then I'll take it for a drive. So I've had a little bit of a fiddle around some of the things I like. Obviously you can get 4 gauges. Get that one. Get that one. But I sort of like this one the most. I haven't quite got the boost to work yet, but we'll go smash it for a drive, see how it goes. Alright, so here we are. We're on a roll. She's moving. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this thing. As you can see, I've got my coolant temp, my intake temps, speedo, tacho, and I've got the thing ready there for the boost, so when it does happen, it'll be good. So I've still got my manual boost gauge up there anyway. So yeah, I'll chuck up a few videos later on about a few little settings to change for Falcon guys like me. Next video is coming up for the Falcons, getting that reverse cowl on, getting it sprayed up and put on. But until then, see you later.